Man, I cannot get this right today. There we go. Wait. That's pretty good. I don't know why both these screens are the same exact screen. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Hey, what's up, Fred? What's up, Casey? What's up, Brian Lou? How you do? So I don't know how much I'm going to be talking. I actually am going to take a little break and stuff, but I'm going to be on here looking. When I go to look for a trade, I'm going to start talking. I'm just going to try this out, see if it's a waste of my time or not. But I'm on here a lot anyways. What's up, Paul? Good to see you, buddy. Do me a favor, guys. Like this video, comment in here. Let people know that we're live. Just want to see if it's worth it. Let's see. What up? How you doing? How you doing? There's a nice sell that we just took. I'm going to show you what I was doing here. This block is still valid. Don't get it all twisted, but like my my boss blocks, I'm just gonna fix it a little bit better. But it's detecting this one. It's detecting the one over here, which is still good. It's a good block, but this is essentially a block too. Let's see here. Is it too high? Oh, that's pretty good. That's my boss blocks indicator. Anyway, so while we were up in the zone up here, I was looking to once it broke this low, we were selling. Then it created another area. Was breaking these lows, still selling. So all the way down, basically, you could have been selling. It's showing that white area in here. Uh, it's so frustrating. I have to keep fixing this over and over. I don't understand it. All right, now stay. It's not really. It is, but it isn't. I don't even want to release it yet because it's not 100%. So that's my main thing. I'll probably have some Solomon flow on right here. Let's see if that shows that. Hmm. Nice and peaceful night. Anyway, so we had, oh, you know, let me pull this over here. Boom. Take off these people fighting. It says look for buy only. It must be like, yeah, because we have a 5 minute break. All right, let me shoot down. I want to show you this. So basically, once we had this break right here, you could have been taking cells all the way down out of here. Another block here. Went down. Another block. That's the current block. That's where we currently are. This one actually got in on this close. Now we're in another area. Now you just got to be kind of careful though, because at any moment this could break up. Kayla, hold on. My wife's trying to sneak away. So yeah, guys, I'll be back. I'm gonna keep this streaming right now, and I'm gonna mute my audio right now, and I'll be back. I'm gonna take a quick break, but once I see some trades happening, I'm gonna go live. So if you have me on in the background or whatever, that's cool. I'm actually waiting for breaks back up or a pull back up into this block right here to sell off. Okay. What I want to happen is it to get back up into fair value up here, and I'll explain all that. But here's the current fair value zones: value high, value low. Here's the point of control. The most volume happened right here. This is basically saying it can easily come up to here, but we're gonna keep selling until we can't sell anymore. So I will be back in a little bit. I'm not gonna get off. I'm just gonna literally just close this down a little bit. All right, I will be back, guys. What's up? Ooh. Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? How about that, though? That was pretty cool. Did you notice my thingy said to enter? Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh. Enter right here. And the path. Absolutely. Haha. It is. Oh my gosh, I love Christmas in July. Good to see you guys. I don't even know. Is there anybody even like how many's on here? Like, probably not a lot. I wouldn't guess. Your channel, create, go live. Oh, can't be more than 5 people, right? So I forgot I had 2 little kids with me, so I ended up walking. It took an extra, gosh, took an extra like 20 minutes to walk. What up, Casey? How you doing, man? Good to see you. All right, so that was a good. I mean, let's just see how we could have taken that if you didn't. If you didn't do it, which one am I looking at? Jeez. This one, no, it's this one. Too many browsers up. There we are. This one? Why doesn't this look right? Oh, it's 5 minutes. Okay. So if we go back to the hour, if you look left, this was never closed below. And this is a block. Look, it's breaking structures up. That's a block. We wicked, and I said I was going to look for buys. Right here, top of the hour candle, literally sucked back up. Yo, Georgie. Here's the thing. You could have easily just taken this. This was like such an easy play. Look at that. Right there. 49 points. That was an easy 1 to 1.5. Easy. Now we're coming back down. We'll see if this holds or not. It made it worse. Now, if you notice here, let me turn on heat map. You can see as the sellers versus the fighter or the bulls are fighting. It went right up to that point of control. That's amazing. Check over here. Take this range. Green block. So now we had a 5-minute break of structure. 2 5-minute breaks of structure. That one's a stronger one. Inverted fair value gaps, all that kind of stuff. We're coming into a 5-minute block. Looking for potential buys again. Liquidity above. Slingshot engaged. If we come up like that. It's harder for it to break things in the middle of the night. But that's the next move if it happened. Oh no, what's the yawn doing? Oh, Bob. No. Thirty stop at that point. 160. 240. Oh, jeez, guys. That'd be 4 micro. Maybe 5. 5 micro is good. I didn't draw that block because it didn't break a structure. Which one? You don't see that structure? Right here? This is a wick structure, but it was a structure at that. 1 hour block did break a structure up. Look at all the structures it broke. From here, we broke the this right here. We broke this right here. Broke that right there. Let's see. Broke that right there. I mean, that's a lot of momentum, bro. That was quite a bit. I mean that was 1164 points from that block. All right, here we go. Now we're at 37 point. Now, a smaller one. Oh gosh, dang guys. That's what I'm trying to do, Smitty. The only way I'll start selling again is if it gets below here. It should go. I mean, it should, right? I think it will. I think we're about to rocket for as much as a rocket can be. I think we're going to get another push. Can we get it up to there? 1 to 5. Let me actually get it ready here. Hold up. That'd probably be beneficial for me. Top step X, 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 X. All right, we got 65 micro for 300. I'd be kind of shocked if it just slow rolled through this. The great thing about Asian is it's so very, all right, I want you to understand this. It very rarely will smash up like that during Asian. So when it does, there's usually a real shift, right? So like on the 5 here, notice on the way down, it never broke any structures, okay? So there's a really good chance that it can push off of this. In fact, let me make it darker so it can't get through it. Well, I was gonna play this game with my son, but he's not. He didn't do what he was supposed to do. Going for the lows or what? Ooh. See if we could just wick this and go up. That'd be sick. All right. Otherwise, that's crazy. I'm kind of like I'm shocked it even went that far, but this will be a good place to turn around. We'll see. We go to the hour. Oh, look at that. 12 a.m. Still didn't close below. Did it? Hold on. This is why it's really important to be precise. Still not buying sells yet. Yep, still didn't. Let's look left. We have this block here. I'm just gonna mark it up down here just for fun. Might want to liquidate this. All right, depending on what it does here. If it closes, I'll look for sells. So a really cool thing I want to share with you guys that I'll probably start pushing. And it's a broker that I've been testing in Forex. Um, the only reason I'm sharing it with you is because it's like having a prop firm on crack. Imagine there's just really no test. You just can't lose the 10% that you put in. 10% of what you put in. So like, hold on a sec. Let's see. I'll reveal it shortly to you, but it's kind of like, put it this way: if you deposit 2 grand, you get 20% or $20,000 to trade with. You just can't draw down 10%. That's it. There's no rules or anything. It's kind of crazy. This saw the inverted. If you look here, oh, on the 1 minute, I was looking on the 1 minute because I have it set to 1 minute right now. So as soon as this hit here, it was starting to look for sells only. It's pretty cool. I don't know. I don't trade any regulated forex. I just never had a issue with them. The demons. I mean, it's regulated in their own, their own country kind of thing. Look at the demons operating this collision. Algos. I've drawn my zones a little off before. I pay more attention these days. Yeah, super important. I never tell anybody to put in a lot more than they can lose or anything like that, but the being able to have 500x leverage, it's the only way I trade forex. But also the being able to leverage the, jeez man, like prop firm style without having to pass the prop firm is pretty awesome. I'm running out of red pixels. All right, we're starting to go up. Oh, we closed below, didn't we? Yeah. Yikes. Well, this sucks. Here's the situation we're in right now. This could still close up into here, and now we're in another hour block. This is that block. So I'd probably take another stab before that even happens of like a 3-minute FEG. I'm just going to keep that white on there for now. If we get a close above here, I'll take that. So it's not horrible, actually. I just feel like it's going to eventually pop up here. I'm not really missing anything because like on the 5-minute, the block's all the way up here anyway. So, and again, we're in a 1-hour block right now. Lots of red, right? Let's see what they do under this 1-hour block. See if they just liquidate it. Let's see. What's next? Oh, it looks like it's even farther, maybe. Hold on. We have another one directly behind it. Let me just look at that one. Oh, here we go. 3 micro. If we could pull up here. Excuse me, guys. Jeez, it's weird. Let me mute him real quick. 1 second. Huh. Well, I didn't know I was mute. I was talking that whole time, guys. Dang. Holy cow. That's crazy. I thought you guys just didn't want to hear my voice. That's wild. Fixing this up so it stops being all the way to the right like this. That's crazy. I'm glad you just said something. Well, I'd hope you wouldn't turn your mic on and off, Christina. Kidding, 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 kidding. I'm a jerk. I can't believe like the whole time. That whole time I was talking to you guys and man, oh well, I was giving my biggest secrets I've ever given any to anybody. Uh, maybe next time. That's funny. Oh my gosh. I typed it out to tell you a while back, but thought you were oh well. I was complaining and I was, it was all over the place there. What is all this? This is crazy. On val. Like it shouldn't be going down this far. Like really. They all are in my head, aren't they? This is like what is going on? Like where is this volume coming from? The sell volume. Yeah, my bad, guys. Your FOMO's up. See, you know what? I guess I've grown because I have zero FOMO in this. Zero. This is really unbelievable. Like it can't even just give us an entry. What was that? Oh, yeah. I just don't know why you would, because I mean we had the hour block and 5 minute close. Like there was, I don't know why I wouldn't. And on any most days that would never work out. This is just really abnormal. Yeah, what's going on actually? I haven't paid attention at all. Index falling. Global tech and chip sectors face renewed selling pressure despite the short-term pullback. Domestic AI and tech stocks are maintaining investor interest due to strong sector earnings. Dude, I'm about to dump like I don't know, this options thing's freaking me out. I could really see how that would have been good. If I would have put, all right, bear with me here. Yeah, but we already broke a block up. Like we closed above a 5 minute block. I guess it was a wick block. I think I even said that. No, see, no, right here. It closed above a block. Right here. I mean, technically this was one too, but because it did create a lower low. So I literally closed above 2 blocks, inverted all these gaps coming out of a 5-minute block. There's no, I couldn't have sold that. And I can't start selling again until this closed under here on the 5. And then I start selling until I can't sell anymore. And then I needed a pullback, but there is no pullback. This is unreal, actually. The markets must have known I was going to come on tonight, because this is just like, what is that? Well, that isn't a block. All right, so look. This is lower than this. So this isn't a block right here. Even if it was, we have higher highs and higher lows now. So the block above it was actually right here. So yeah, there's zero reason for me to tank this. Like, something had to happen. Like, I'd be interested to know it at 1:30. What was that? What time was that? I can't even think. 11:30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, absolutely, Sergio. Good to see you, man. Appreciate to have you. Oh, 3-minute block. Yeah, I don't really do the blocks with 3-minute. I do even so. No, that's still not a block. So I'm on the 3-minute. Let's do this. If we wanted to use the 3-minute, it closed above that block. So out of a buy block that wicked, look at this. At that point, we were just wicked. Like, it didn't close underneath. So, I mean, I don't see a single way I would have entered, because you had all right, so listen. If you're in a buy block and it wicked closed, and it closes up above a 3-minute FEG, a 5-minute break of structure, a 5-minute FEG. I don't really mind. I don't really pay attention to the 1 minute out of an hour block, but if it does one of those out, the selling till you can't sell anymore is done. I'm kind of just testing the waters right now, Ronald. Just kind of testing it out. Uh, Probably gonna go to my wife. What I was thinking about doing was, if I see a trade, probably jump on, and it's 99% gonna be probably for members only. Like, so part of like Solomon Select or something, you know? But I might have a cheaper tier. So like, maybe I'll do like a cheaper tier, just like, hey, jump on my Asian streams, but I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be here every day, kind of thing. So it's gonna be like, hey, if I see one and I got time, I'm jumping on. And maybe when I come on, I'll be on there for hours. I don't know. Like, so I might, some nights might be hours. I'm just feeling it out. Obviously, lifetime mentorship students, all that. Well, I go live every day at 2:30 for free. Bullinox giveaway. What's this? Bullinox of all. I wouldn't want to give you a Bullinox. I'm just telling you straight up. I would feel, I'd rather, like, I feel like I'm knifing you in the back if I did that. Here's a free Bullinox, and then you got to pay 100 some dollars for activation, and then wait 10 days of perfect trading to maybe get a payout. It's not my favorite. They're good company though. It does pay out. Are you an X? Normally, It's just me and some coffee to watch the Korean market for the memory play. You're talking about like Twitter X? Yeah, I wish, it's so funny. I'm never tired this late, like ever. And all of a sudden I'm tired. It's got to be because I don't know. I did like 4 hours of stream. No, 5 hours streaming today. All the cool traders give out free profit. Yeah. Nah, I don't. I'm not the giveaway guy. I do giveaways, but look, man, I'm not desperate. I'm not trying to get rich off YouTube. I literally use YouTube as it's a really, you want the truth? It's a really easy way for me to stream without setting up a bunch of stuff and still have decent quality. All the red light makes us tired. Yeah, this is crazy. That's what it is, isn't it? I'm just staring at this red. Just staring at this red. I do giveaways. Yeah, yeah. I should be on X. I don't know. There's a lot of things I should do, I guess. I should be on TikTok. I should be on like I do a lot of paid advertising. I don't know if it's lazy or smart, but I get a lot of people, they come in and they buy like my Futures Made Easy course. Like this for $7. Did Smitty make the cut on this? I don't know. We're getting hundreds of people right now joining that a week. Ready to her background noise and side chats. Not looking for financial advice, but I appreciate the time you put in. Hey man, I appreciate that. Man, it's nice having this guy around. Maybe the people in Asian session are super nice. I'll just stay in Asian forever. Yeah, it's good to have you, buddy. Not all the hyped up Lambo kitties are jumping on here. What kind of forex, man? I could have killed on a forex today. Jeez. So I made it so I could finally move this around, thank God, because it was like getting locked over here, and then I would lose my position, my entry. And then also, let me clear this out. I have built this now. This is from all kinds of awesome stuff. Like it's custom. This isn't TradingView at all. Let's see here. Let me turn this off. I mean, dang, I should have listened to this apparently. But yeah, back to what we were talking about real quick. There was no, we had this break of structure up. As soon as that break of structure happened, right here, the sell until you can't sell anymore is over with unless this is closed below. Otherwise, the 1 hour blocks wouldn't matter. So the rule is if you get the 5 minute block or the 3 minute close or a 3 minute FVG out of a 1 hour block and the 1 hour block wicks, I'm only going to buy until you can't buy anymore. I'm not going to take the next block and sell from it. Which this was a 3 minute block right here. You're right. That was a 3 minute block. That didn't go lower than here, but I mean, it already broke through 1, 2, 3 3 minute blocks. Why would you pick that one? Made easy, yeah, yeah. I should call it trading for dumb, like you dumb. You know what? I should just like say something really ridiculous. Just call it really stupid, something really dumb, because that would kind of like help attract people that would like get my personality. What if I called it another dumb trading course? Dude, that's I'm not kidding you. That would work. I guarantee you that would work. Guarantee you. I could make the whole thing just funny, and I guarantee you people would buy it. I can call everything dumb. I could be like, here's dumb order blocks. Here's the dumb FVGs. Stupid FVGs. Yeah, I mean, that what was that book back in the day? It was for dummies. Yeah, yeah. That worked really well. What's going on here? Are we wicking this? Are we playing games again? We're about to get a buy. Like I have to get a buy out of this. I feel like we're about to. This might go the next 15 minutes. Suck up, clear this one, and then we could take this buy up. Yeah, they made a whole library, right? Yeah, yeah, Christina. I guarantee you, I could say like, stop trading. You're gonna lose everything, and people would buy it. Of course, you're gonna lose all your whole life and your money. They'd probably be like, "Dude, this guy's so real. He's telling me not to even do it. I'm telling you, it'd work." It's like reverse psychology, right? What do we got here? Futures dummies course sounds wild. You dumb dumb. There is this thing called, I know the owner of it. I don't know if any of you guys remember this. It was called the Rich Jerk in the marketing world. 10 reasons why you should stop trading. How did I lose everything quick with Bob Beckett? The anti-disclaimer. It's like, never ever take a single trade or your life is ruined. Oh, and if you want to keep going with it, buy my stuff. You remember him? Yeah, that's Felix. This was so good back in the day. I mean, it worked. This guy right here. If I can pull him up. It was such a smart move. Man, it's really like there's no images of him anywhere. Are we about to get a buy here? Hold up. Hold up. Nothing, nothing. Ooh, right here. There's an FVG. And it's pulling back. I think it's going to suck back up into here within 14 minutes. That way it'll look like a spike on both. Ooh, I'm going to go for it. Ooh, fam. Ooh, fam. 60 times 2 is 120 times 3, 360. 3 micros. I want to make sure this works, actually. If I put this to 1 minute, actually 3 minute. See if the 3 minute FEG pulls. That turns to buy only. My eyeballs. Actually, let me get my oh, my head, my eyeballs. I have to wear my funny looking glasses this late. If I buy this, I put this down here, and I put this up here, and I pull this range. What would that look like? Thought I had. Oh, why are you jumping again, dude? Stop it. Okay, hold up. Telling you, I think they're going to try to pull this off so their wick goes above both these blocks. Here it is. That's the 5 minute. Need to close. It's risky. I mean, we're trying to catch the knife, right? So be careful. So question. All right. If I put $10,000 on that trade earlier today and it said I was up 350%, how much would I have had? Is that 30,500? This is not a block. This is not a block. None of these are blocks. It should go, technically, it should go all the way up to here. Could go, I should say. Oh, it's 9 minutes to get above this line. I think it's going to do it. I'm telling you. 2 more minutes on this close to see if she can pull up. I do notice there's a little imbalance right here and a little one right here. So it might want to come and reach for that real quick before coming up. Sometimes I'll tap it, come up close, but either way. Yeah. I'll ask AI about that trade earlier, because if I could have turned that 10 grand into 35,000 like that quick, uh, options trade. I think it's 35,000. Yeah, it's smart, man. I do the same thing. I used to have to literally while I was in trades, I used to have to like jump on a treadmill or pound some weights. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Wow. Yep, gonna have to. Let's see if this is changing yet. All right, we've changed it to buy only, dude. That's great. Oh my gosh, another non-close about this FEG. Right? Wait. Ooh, by a hair. Hold up. All right, I'm gonna go for it. 3 micro, 3 micro. You do what you guys want. I'm going for it. It's by a hair. I am in the trade. I'm just gonna hold it because it shouldn't stop. It could have a little bit of hesitation here. Even there, it's a 0.76. There's nothing stopping it there. Let's see if we can pull up there within 6 minutes above this line. I am long. Thank you, Sergio. We waited long enough. I'm putting in these stops right now. Trading 10 accounts. Cannot get my wealth charts to copy trade to save my life right now. Just in case I forget that I'm even in this trade, let me put a take profit somewhere. That'd be good. Oh, I heard a submarine. Oh no, I know that sound. That means some seller or some buyers died off. All right, everything's set. Let's see. TP I put right here for now. But that's just like whatever. If I fall asleep or something happens. Where are you from, Sergio? Watching the Asian market right now. Not familiar with futures markets. I wasn't want to check. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Awesome. What's up, Hammy? Good to see you, man. Oh, don't do it to me. You freak. So we got 2 minutes. Let's see what this does here. Don't you do it. You're smashing down again. I'm just going to keep it on this hour. Come on, block hold. Got to put a little one down. Glad I hopped on. Beautiful. I do crypto trades when the regular US market is closed. Nice, man. I did a lot of crypto. Took all that liquidity. I mean, next stop. I mean, another 300 points down. Hold it. Hold it. Don't close. Don't close. Don't close. Hold it. This is when I like to put the warriors out. The buyers versus the sellers. Who's going to win? No. No. Oh my gosh. The sellers won. That's not good. That's not good. See if I was right on that. Yeah, it sucks. That's not good. That's not good. Only thing kind of holding it together is we had a FEG inverted. I'm going to put this in the way so it slows down. Yeah, I don't know if they are either, Hammy. What time do I live stream? So my Asian sessions, it's going to be off and on, honestly. I'm here in the East Coast. Um, so I don't really like to go on late that often, but I was going to test the waters to see how I liked it. I've been doing like afternoon sessions, like end of day. And we have a 90% overall win rate of the day, which is pretty good. Oh man, I had to. Yeah, it's bearish now. So how I judge that is based off the hour block. So we just had a close under here, which makes that block invalid and this block invalid. So I mean, I have a thing called I sell until you can't sell anymore, right? So for that to happen, basically, I need this low to be taken and strong sell at close, then pull back to this block and then take it. So I'm ready for a sell once this. If I lose this, I'm not really that irritated unless I don't get a pullback. If that makes sense. So I'm ready for my next move. Nice. Yeah, yeah. Not looking good for the buyers. Ooh, that's why I'm not seeing nothing. Like, why isn't it moving? Come on, buyers, fight! Don't give up! No! Yeah, it's gonna like find balance down there probably outside of this. I still, man, can you imagine the buys we're about to have though? Like when it actually happens? It should be pretty awesome. Probably, maybe not tomorrow. I don't know. So here's how I do this, guys. If this holds, I might get out here and then just wait for more proof of momentum. We'll see. Yeah. Yep. Buyers trying. They're trying, man. They're trying. These are my little warriors. Every once in a while, you'll see a seller die. Okay. Okay. Push up, baby. Let's see. Yeah, I got my new drawing tools done. Look at that. I could draw on my freaking screen with this. Long tool? Let's see how that works out. Oh, yeah, baby. We're on and cooking, baby. Haha, that's sick. Just join the live. I mean, it's kind of risky. We haven't hit our stop yet, thankfully. But if it comes up to here, I'll probably get out at a small L. The only thing kind of holding this up for me is this inverted. Well, that was on the 3 minute. What was that? Oh, right here. Not tonight, man. Like, we couldn't get the dang pullback that we needed. I just wanted simple little pullbacks off this sell, but it just kept tanking. You know, so this was our first trade. Actually, my stop's down here. This is our first trade, and it's not looking good, but it's okay because my new plan would be if this closes below here, creating this order block up here on the 5, I would wait for pullback and look on the 1 minute for entry for a sell. So, and then I have another block down here. So I don't know how far this is going to go. Because we swept two lows. We swept there was one like right here, and then there's like one like right here. And we already kind of swept. And three lows. Like how much lows do you need to sweep? Nice job, Hammy. Stop loss down below this low. There's a 28,767. I risked 350 times 10. So when I lose this, I'll lose $3,500, but it's okay because that's only one R, you know? This is cool too. Watch this. I can have it call me. Hit stop, wait for pull back and sell. Watch this. Cross down, set alert. So if it happens, that'll happen, then I'll put alert here. Add alert. Oops. Broke up. Look for boss. Press up. There. Now I don't have to look at it. My phone will literally ring. Well, I do too. I just don't know if they're going to wick us first, you know? A lot of times I'll be safer and I'll, forgive me, let me clean up this mess here a little bit. Actually, I'll keep this on and I'll switch to here. A lot of times what I'll do is instead of putting it directly under that one, I'll try not to be a hero sometimes. I'll look left on like the 5 minute and just see, is there something else I could have put this under? And that, yeah, I mean, that would have been a bigger stop, but as bearish as this wasn't like that bad of an idea, right? And that would have been a big stop. But you know, I do 120 point stops and I'll hit in this market nowadays, I'll hit 300, 400 points. So it's still a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, you know. You know, they're flushing out all these buyers right now. And then, you know, maybe tomorrow they'll start pushing up again. I don't know, but it'd be kind of hard to believe they'll just keep going. How many points did we drop since Wednesday now? Look at this. Let's look exactly. 1,300 basically. I'm not even trying to like catch the bottom. I don't need to. I just wanted to go like right here. Quick little dub. And then I'll probably sell from there. 1 a.m. This is so funny. They have that new thing. It's called Glance. So on the TV, I don't know if you could even see this. Hold on, let me show you this. OBS. Actually, yeah. So on the TV, it like puts you in different clothes and stuff. So I just did that earlier today, and we were sitting out there with the family, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, it looks exactly like you, Dad." Discover life. Shall I take trade or no? I wouldn't right now. I'd wait for some more proof for buys, but I feel like it's exhausted a little bit. I feel like we should get a pullback here, but I wouldn't enter right here. Yeah, wait. I mean, so here's how I look at this. How I look at this is we're in a block right here. We're in an hour block to the left. I'll show you. All right. So, well, looks like we went under it. We closed under it. That's right. So here's the next block for me. I always take the red body down to the wick or whatever wick's below. We had this low right here. There's also this FEG right here. So let me go back over to the right. We barely closed under that thing. But as soon as I saw it close under this, I'm like, dang. So that block's now invalidated for me. So the next block down is here. And I always tell everybody I sell until I can't sell anymore. So I'm looking. All right. I'm looking for buys, but I'm also selling. So actually, let me rethink this through in my brain because I'm really tired actually right now. Technically, I'd be breaking my rule if I bought right now, and I'm in a buy. I just now realized that. Why didn't one of my people tell me that? Okay. I think it's so freaking bearish. It is, right? So normally I would only be selling. But, okay, at the time of when okay, so here was the kicker. At the time of when I entered, what was that time? Ah, so right at the time I entered, it was still valid for me. No, you didn't tell me, boy. It was still valid for me. Let me re-verify this, or I'm going to lose my mind. Okay. Now he starts talking again. He's been gone forever, as he's secretly selling. He's selling all right. Okay, at the time of that ended at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Okay, yeah. I think I was like sold on the fact that it was barely closed under it. I think that was my issue with it or something. Get rid of that. Get rid of that too. That's what it was. It wasn't closed yet, right? I thought, oh, that's what it was. I thought it wasn't going to close under it. It looked like it was going to be a wick. And then at the last minute, it came down. That's what happened. Thank you for reminding me that. Oh, man, Anakin. So I still haven't lost. I mean, we're still fighting. Like, the Bulls are trying. Oh, look at what we got here, though, fam. This right here. Okay. It looks like they're trying to trap sellers, in my opinion. They're trying to get last minute sellers to come down. They might just pull a quick liquidity grab. Hopefully not this one. Hopefully they can grab these and then shoot up. That'd be sick. Let's just draw the line so it could follow it, okay? We're also running out of room. That's what I always like to say. We're running out of room, okay? If you ever do this and you see like, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 minutes, something big should happen. We'll catch some of these giant rockets this way. Within 7 or 8 minutes. Thank you, Hammy. So something big. Buyers are still fighting for their life. But technically, so I got in before the hour close and it was still valid. Then it came down and closed. That's what happened. Oh, you're right. You're right, Smitty. Look, there it is. There it is. It closed there at the top of the hour underneath the line. There was the close. Got it. New entry? If it went up here. I mean, it's going against my rule, so I can't really tell you to. Because this is closed underneath. I want to sell it till you can sell. So, all right, when I say sell till you can't sell anymore, what I'm saying is basically on the lower time frame, it's probably going to do this. Okay. That. Actually, price doesn't go backwards. I always do that. It's kind of crazy. It's like I never look at a chart before or something. Price is probably going to do this, or it's going to build back up. And hopefully we could ride that up a little bit. But most of the time I won't do this because, you know, to me it's kind of counter trend. Because this solid candle closed, this 1 hour candle closed underneath this 1 hour block, invalidating this block. So I say sell till you can't sell anymore. So what I want to see on the lower time frame is a buildup like this to take out. So I want to see manufactured liquidity. And hopefully that happens. Hopefully this is the manufactured liquidity right here. Hopefully it just stays on this line, builds up, and then tanks. Yep. Kick it in and fill it in my nuggets. Where am I at with this trade? Okay, that's not bad. What are you doing? I could even get out now and be happy. Oh, don't do it. All right, let's look on the one and see it finally. We're running out of room. We're taking some liquidity to the upside. Hopefully it didn't take the small upside liquidity and then drop. I want to see this close up here. Get up here, bro. 888. Yep. Yep. Come on. Let's see what my solid flow is doing over here. You guys fighting? Buy. Look, there's more buyers than sellers now. Buyers are winning this at the moment. They're taking them out. They're fighting. Come on, fight for your life, buyers. Fight for your life. No. Hold it. Hold the line. Come on, stronger buyers. Push. Push up. Ooh, I just thought of something else. Oh my gosh. That'd be sick. Looks like they were wicking out that dang top. Those freaking losers. Maybe, maybe not. 1 minute. This is crazy. All right, everybody start blowing up. Or start blowing up together. Also, if everybody just buys now with their demo money on their eval, we can maybe push it up. We might have a chance. Come on, Bulls. Get in there. Get in there, buddy. Buyers hold, buyers hold. I don't like all this. At least this. There needs to be a sweep at least of this. I hope this holds. 5 minute. Come on. Just do something. What a weird area to consolidate at. You see that? Like that. What is that? Like it's barcoding in the middle of a small range. Everyone buy 100 fake contracts. Go. What are you doing up, George? You stay up this late? What a joke. All right, it's about to move. 10 seconds coming down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, man, don't try too hard. Makes it really hard to sleep when you blow an account when you're that close. You barcoding son of a gun. This is a crazy range. No! I never see price moving like this. This is like where it's like a range and it's so weird. What's up, everybody? Hey, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I go live every day at 2:15, 2:30 in the afternoon, Eastern, for end of day. We do really good. We have about a 90% overall daily win rate. Not win rate, but daily win rate. It's pretty good. Um, Asian, I'm thinking about starting to do some because I'm up anyways, and usually I'm working. Yeah, well, it didn't today, did it? If I would have risked, I'm thinking about dropping 10 G's on my next options trade if it looks good. Because I would have been up. I hit 350% gain, which I did. That's nuts. Low 80s. All right, hopefully that's all it needs. Don't keep going. Just wick that out with your weird little range you're doing. That's all you wanted. Come back up. Again, if this closes below, I'm not that messed up about it. Okay, I risked accordingly still. I'm not like blowing accounts. But if I get stopped out, I have a plan that I'm going to pull back up to this 5-minute block and sell to this 1 hour block. That's what I normally would do. Somehow, oh, I remember because again, I was in before the close of the hour and it finally closed and I was like, oh crap. Yeah. You can. You can DCA. I'm not going to tell you what to do. It ain't my fault if you blow that thing. You're the one that knows it. You knew everything. I know what you're thinking. Well, you can't even try. Ooh, buyers trying to fight. But I know what you're thinking. You can't even trade it tomorrow. Oh, this is about to take me out, isn't it? You can't even trade it tomorrow, anyways, because it's Friday. Oh no, it'd be day one of your new. Go to bed. My plan. I go to bed. This is too early for me. I'll be honest. I got to take my shower, stretch, work a little bit more. You know, that whole thing. Look, we got drawing tools now. It's on and cracking. The bulls are dying. They're thinning out. We're about to lose. But you wouldn't really miss anything if it rocketed, right? All the way up. What's gold doing? Squirrel. Pretty much the same. The whole world's ending, apparently. Maybe the world ended and we're like stuck. Maybe like everything ended and we don't even know it. And we're just all out here together. What if this was it? We spent our whole moment together. Like you spent your whole life, and then the whole world's already kind of like, and this was it. This was we were just spending our last moments together. I'm just kidding. I'm not jinxing us like that. It's crazy. That would be bad. Oh shoot. What weird trade. All right, we're gonna have to do something crazy now. A little crazy. Let's see here. All right, let me remove these. I need a bull to come out. And I'm actually gonna, let's see, how do I do this? I'm gonna clear this out. I'm gonna clear this out. That. I need a bull to come in here and push this thing freaking up. You guys ready? This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Come on, bulls. Fight, fight, fight. Get him, bull. Get him, bull. Bro. Come on. Push it. I've tried everything we could do here. I'm throwing a bull at it. Come on. Come on, dude. For real. No, don't push. Get him. Faster. This is what happens if the bears come in, all right? Just so you know. We don't want that right now. We don't want the bear. We want this. ADHD at its finest. You're very correct. You're so correct. Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. All right, one more. Oh, we're cooked. I think we're cooked. No. No. Yeah, I think so too, man. It was looking good. Well, raspberry cocktail. We got the capote. What? Capote? Am I tripping? Is that a bull? What is that, bro? You're gonna make me feel stupid. What is a capote? Capote. Oh, dude, this is I'm too. It's too late for my brain to be thinking what that is. Making me feel dumb, George. Oh, the red blanket. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think we needed that, didn't we? That was the problem. We needed a red flag up here. And then the bull comes out. Ah, it's exactly what happened, bro. Gotcha. Yep. I knew that for sure. I'm gonna eat a yogurt with almond butter. We're cooked. No way the Bears win this again.
Order filled.
Yep. Got cooked. Well, I'm good with that, honestly. It was low risk. Like I said, well, now I want to see is it a strong close? If it's a strong close, I can take. Ooh, I could even take it from here. Might try. Yeah. I want to hit this block down here now. That's my only thing. It's gonna bother me. I won't be able to sleep unless I try. See you later, Smitty. Whatever. Can't win them all, right? But like I said, our days though, our overall days is what's important. So I'll come on for a couple hours. We might lose one and then we'll win one or two. And overall we stay positive. So that's all that really matters. Again, didn't close solid. Tripping me out. Mm. And now we're hitting another block. GG. Did you pass? Are you just hedging against me? Did you hedge with your demo money? Oh, okay. What were you risking? Oh, you're talking about your original. I'm just still saying there's not a block here. And it closed above all these blocks. There wasn't a trade. Trust me, I would rather have taken that trade. I need to take care for the family. I do jobs, I do trades, but I never go profit. I feel you, bro. Trust me. Okay, so that's just one. You know, we take a quick 1 to 2, and now you're up. You know, so like we just wait for the best. Now we're the freaking Dude, all right, cool. I get it. There's exactly where I'll take a quick buy up. But we're so bearish, I don't want to do it. So I'm not. So for all of you that have always asked me, like, if we're like in this bearish, if it just keeps going through blocks like this, whenever this happens, I need to see some good displacement at this point. I need to see it like just smash up past this block, maybe even this block, and see real shift. And then, you know, that's much better. I would think, right, Hammy? Mm. I mean, I wouldn't have changed anything I did because I got in before the hour. I mean, I guess I could have closed early, but I kind of wanted to see what it was going to do at that point. Like right on close, it comes down, beep, opens up here. I probably should have got out right there because we closed solid 1 hour. I don't know. Guys, lately, I've been addicted to these zero carb Okios, 000 protein yogurts. And I'll put some almond butter in there without the palm oil. I quit all like the seed oil crap. Dude, I'm just gonna give you, I'm gonna put you on this. You take the Oikos 000 strawberry with some almond butter, all natural. No, you know, only ingredient almond butter. So good. Yeah, man. Unreal. Have you tried almond butter with it, dude? Crazy. Right, Hammy. Yeah. Well, Bears, you did it again. Jerk. All right. I don't know how to delete. I literally, I don't get it. Almond butter is this. It's slam, bro. Hold on, let me get something ready. I might go to bed if something is right here. This is just dumb at this point. It's not even giving you entries. I mean, I lost what 350 times 10 on that, which I'm fine with, but it's like, I mean, I went for it, you know? I went for it. It was good. I'm still happy with it. See, I don't feel any kind of way because I did my best setup. Yeah, you can go to bed. You should go to bed. How late are you up, man? Are you up all night? Don't be like me. Oh, nice. Could end of the week surprise. That'd be good. It'd be pretty cool. Yeah, I want to work on that dashboard. So then I know how to help you. 'Cause otherwise, I'm like literally like I'm like I wonder. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know, guys. I'm about to check the news. There's some like the something bad happened or something. Let me see. You guys watch Osmond Gold? He's hilarious. No tweets, no tech news, no war updates. Get a nice little pullback all of a sudden. Here's an inverted. I might just I might screw it. Say just get in. Call it a day. I think I could at least get up to here. And then I could sell from there if it played off of it. Yeah, I mean, it's not minding any of the lows or anything. It's not minding any of the hour order blocks. It's just kind of just pushing. Everything's dropping. The oil, gold, like it's kind of strange. Yeah, it might be, huh? Whoa, oil. Jeez. I think I just fell asleep sitting here. Do it, guys. I'm gonna go one more cut. I'm gonna crack at it one more time. That's 80, 160, 4 micro. If it closes right here. One last try. Yep.
No skills is taking my damn money. Draw this shit out every morning and post it on Discord. Nobody pays attention. Done. You're not. Well, I go short. Again. Again.
All right. I got in. We'll try one more. This is my last trade of the day. My bad. I got out. I thought it was a 3-minute close. I'm sorry, guys. I got out, break even. Got right back out, break even. I need 40 more seconds. For some reason, I thought 3-minute close right there. Forgive me. $15 seconds, I think. $5 seconds. I'm in. All right. Last trade of the day for me, unless it just smashes up, which I don't know if it will. Let's do a little bit of bulls. I hate seeing bears still even in this at all. It's a little risky-ish trade, but it is what it is. Wow. They're just playing me tonight. It's still early though. Let's see. This saw the entry. That's pretty cool. It's saying it should go to here. But I don't know. This Bears are definitely in control tonight. I just know, yeah, no words. Stick on the one, see if it's like coming down for something. Unreal. I mean, you're telling me it's not gonna fill, like, why? Bounced off the 1 hour, inverted 3-minute FEG, had all this up here to fill. I was hoping to come up here to probably sell. See, you get destroyed, especially liquidity. Yeah, I mean, I usually kill it on Asian. Asian's ultimately my favorite, but if the hour blocks don't even hold, there's nothing I could do about it. Like my hour blocks is my bread and butter.
skills did you experience the game last night? Uh-oh, did those skills team lose? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Let it run. Let it run. Think you run it.
Yeah, it's possible. Come on, Bulls, push.
This my favorite.
Right? I mean, nobody really knows, right? Can we just get one rocket up, please? Oh man, freak.
You're trading against monotonous. Not air. Market is like the ocean. Does not air. Does. Market stuff. I hear it'll dip. Like Delphi will shoot up on her. Unless your name is Soros. The last name like Soros. Rockefeller, Morgan.
Unbelievable.
They don't care about him. Then the market cares. They do care about Elon Musk, but not like they care about Rockefeller, Morgan,
Man, Hammy. Well, it sucks that the first time you ever been on here that we lose. Like this doesn't happen too often, to be honest with you. But you know, it is what it is. I mean, it's not over either. I mean, anything's possible. Maybe I'll take the day off tomorrow. Go to the beach. Did really good this week, anyways.
What's your schedule like if you stream all night? Well, you just answer it if we end the presents all night. That's my schedule. It's low. 3-2. Really? I don't know.
Really go out to the East Coast, man. I'm like a Miami golf guy, but maybe. But you know, I hate getting caught in that Tampa traffic on I-4. Yeah, I mean this trade. I mean to me it was great. We hit a 1 hour block. All right, let me show you this. We hit a 1 hour block. Lots of volume there. 3 minute FEG close inverted. It's actually right there. So everything's hanging by this thread. Right there. It's like a nail gun holding it up. We need a slingshot right now to come up here. That's still holding it up. I hope.
All human error. Bring this up with you a lot. You keep sending me these videos and saying there's no accountability. Let me tell you a story. My dad forgot to put the car in park. We had a driveway that was down slope downhill.
Yeah, Florida. Let's push up, baby.
Stood in front of a mirror and scolded himself and hit himself on the ass.
Yeah, it's crazy. Like, how do you trade that? Other, especially there's like no pullbacks. Took this earlier. I know we didn't. We could have taken that. We take earlier. Deleted it. Right now, break even. You can break even right now, or you can try to go for this rocket. It's up to you. And profit. I got to break even. I'm good. I ain't playing this game no more. This wick crap. It could shoot up to the moon. I wouldn't even care right now. I'm not getting back in. I'm tired. I'm gonna like. So I only lost one. I broke even on this one. Thank God. Even if it goes to here, I would rather, anyways. Like I was saying earlier, and I don't feel like waiting for it. I'd rather see like this happen, where it's breaking all this, close above, pull back, start breaking stuff over here, then go up. I'd much rather see that than get stuck in this crap. You know. So that's good, right? We you know, when we thought for sure we were gonna lose, we ended up breaking even. That feels like a win. So now I could sleep better. Now I can sleep better. So let me say goodbye to everybody. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for the last, I don't know how many, a couple hours. Even though we didn't really like have amazing trades. It wasn't amazing setups tonight, but we didn't get the pullbacks we wanted to take the sells. It's okay. It's part of the game. Have an amazing rest of the night. You can join my free community at what is it? School.com/Solomon trading right here. You get some free training in there and stuff. Of course, I have some paid stuff too. I have I do 36 plus live trading sessions in my my one-on-one or my group session area. I'm too tired to even pitch right now. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm too tired. This is crazy for me. All right, it was great meeting you guys. God bless. See you later, Sergio, Hammy, all the new people that were in the room. Appreciate you all. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell. God bless. Take care. Back it out. Peace.